Hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. Today we are going to see one logical problem. The question is, if x equal to 13 over root of 19 plus 8 root 3, then find the value of x to the power of 4 minus 6x cube minus 2x square plus 18x plus 23 over x square minus 8x plus 15. So as you are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 500 Olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you. So here given x is equal to 13 by square root of 19 plus 8 root 3. So first of all, I will find x square value. X square value is 113 square 169 by 19 plus 8 root 3. So here if you rationalize it, 19 minus 8 root 3 by 19 minus 8 root 3. Here you'll get 169 into 19 minus 8 root 3 over 169 you'll get. So here you'll get 19 minus 8 root 3 value, x square value. So here x square is equal to, this can be written as 16 minus 8 root 3 plus root 3 whole square. So x square can be written as 4 minus root 3 whole square. Here you are using the formula a square minus 2ab plus b square. So that value will get therefore x is equal to 4 minus root 3. Now what is required here? So required x to the power of 4 minus 6x cube minus 2x square plus 18x plus 23 over x square minus 8x plus 15. So this you have to do some adjustment. X to the power of 4 minus 2x square I am writing here minus 6x cube plus 18x plus 23 over x minus 3 into x minus 5, factors of the denominator. So here you can take x square common, x square minus 2. Here you can take 6x common, x square minus 3 plus 23 by x minus 3 into x minus 5. So here x square value 19 minus 8 root 3, x square minus 2 value 17 minus 8 root 3 minus 6 into x value 4 minus root 3 and x square minus 3 value 16 minus 8 root 3 plus 23 over x minus 3 means here 4 minus root 3 minus 3, 4 minus root 3 minus 5. So if you solve the numerator, so here you'll get 10 in the numerator and here denominator will get here 2. So total you will get answer 5. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.